Hi, I'm Naomi Hamm from Centa Mortgage Choice, and today I want to talk a little bit about bankruptcies and mortgage financing after you've claimed bankruptcy. I've recently come across a few different clients who have gone through a bankruptcy and then struggled with getting their mortgage financing together. And that's because most major banks, once they see that you have had a bankruptcy on your records, they don't even want to look at your file. I'm happy to say that I have been able to help a few people out who have gone through a bankruptcy in the past. And so I thought maybe I would give a few tips on how to help you be the most successful at getting your mortgage approved after a bankruptcy. One of the first things that lenders will look at is they like to see that you've been discharged from your bankruptcy for 2 to 3 years, and that really depends on the lender. During that time, they also want to see that you've reestablished good, clean credit for at least 1 to 2 years. When I say clean, I mean no missed payments, no late payments. They're very, very picky on anything after a bankruptcy. They want to make sure that you're really making the efforts to pay those bills on time. They are also going to be looking for a minimum credit score, generally around the 600 to 620 range, which may not mean a lot to a lot of people, but it gives you kind of a starting point to look at. The other thing is the down payment. 5% is still the minimum that you are required. However, a lot of lenders will require 10 to 15% down just because it gives them a little bit lower risk with the file, being that you've had credit problems in the past. Generally, they do like to see that coming from your own resources. They're not as often using the gifted down payment that you typically could use, but they sometimes will allow a portion of that to be gifted. Those are just a few tips. Of course, there's going to be exceptions to them on occasion, and there's never a guarantee that you're going to get an approval, but by going through those different tips, it's going to help increase your chances of success in getting you into a new home. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call.